Good afternoon and welcome to the new and improved Weslaco East High School Wildcat Athletic Fieldhouse.
I think this facilities is just an upgrade and it shows that WISD does care, what they've done on both sides of town, and I'm very proud to work for this town.
It's been great, it's exceptional. I'd like to thank Coach Brigette, everybody who got this going. I mean, it's awesome. I'm speechless.
With these new lockers, they have a lot of things that the football lockers had. The lockers, a lot more space, a lot more comfortability, and being able to do things as a team.
I feel appreciated. I feel pumped up for the new season, like everybody's seasons, because this is a brand new for us, and it's exciting.
As an athletic coordinator, I'm very proud to say this is the home of the Wildcats.